Hi guys, it's Megan with Super Sister Fitness. Today I'm going to show you 5 exercises to help you fix tech neck or forward head. If you guys find this video helpful, don't forget to hit the thumbs up below, subscribe if you haven't already, and leave us a comment below. Okay, so first things first, how do you know if you even have tech neck or forward head? Chances are you probably do, especially if you work a 9 to 5. Most of the things that we use now, computers, phones, push our heads out in front of us. So if your head has started drifting forward and your shoulders started to round forward, you have tech neck. And it's way more common than you think. With every inch that your head drifts forward, that's about an extra 10 pounds that your head is gonna weigh. So over time, it is really unhealthy for your spine. And if you don't fix it, you could end up with a nice little hump on your upper back when you're older, which isn't super cute. So I'm gonna show you a few exercises to help you fix that. The first one that I'm gonna show you is a really simple stretch for your neck. We want to help relax some of those overactive muscles on the back and the side of your neck that are getting super tired from holding your head up all day. So what I want you to do is you're gonna place your fingers behind your head. We're gonna tuck the chin and you're gonna gently let your hands pull your chin towards your chest. Okay, we're gonna hold each of these for about 20 to 30 seconds. Make sure that you're not yanking and pulling on your head. We wanna let gravity do most of the job here. And then you can gently move your chin side to side. Okay, after we're done here, you're going to grab your right hand, put it on the left side of your head, and then we're gonna drop the right ear to the right shoulder. Again, we're not actively like yanking, we're just letting gravity pull the head down gently. Okay, holding for about 20-30 seconds. I would aim for 30 seconds. Okay, and then we can also let the chin drift down towards the shoulder. That'll help change the stretch a little bit. Okay, go ahead and switch sides. Gently pulling and stretching. The muscles on the back of your neck, if you have forward head, get overused all day, every day. And the muscles on the side of your neck as well. So it's super important to stretch those out if you want to fix this. Okay. So one of the exercises that I'm going to show you that's super helpful is called a YTWL. This is going to help strengthen all of the muscles in your upper back and the back of your shoulders to help pull your chest back open and help realign your head. So what I want you to do, you can either do this by leaning into an incline bench, but if you don't have that and you want to just do this at home, you're going to slightly bend the knees and hinge forward. Okay, making sure that you're not rounding out the spine. We want to anchor the belly button in, keep a nice flat spine, keep your chest lifted. Okay, and then what you're going to do is you're just going to make the letters Y, T, W, and L with your hands. Okay, so we're going to start with Y. You're gonna angle your hands out. We're gonna point the thumbs up to the ceiling. You're gonna pulse the hands back for 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. Then we're gonna make the letter T. Make sure when you're doing these exercises that you're not letting the chin and the head drift forward. The goal here is to help pull your chin back and really focus on using those muscles in your upper back. Again, pointing the thumbs behind you. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. Now we're gonna make the letter W. Same thing. 3, 4. Make sure that you're pulling your belly button in. Good. And now we make the letter L with each arm. Okay, so 90-degree angle at the elbow. And then push the thumbs back behind you. You should really be feeling this in your shoulders by now if you're doing it right. Good. Okay, now I'm gonna show you guys how to do a PEC stretch. These muscles with those who have forward head are usually super tight. So find a wall, find a door frame, find anything that you can prop your forearm up against. Okay, keep the elbow around 90 degrees. Place the palm on the wall or the surface that you found, and then we want to try to twist and rotate the chest away. So when you do this, you should instantly feel a stretch through here. Okay, so as with all of our static stretches, try to aim for around 30 seconds in order to get the most benefit from this stretch. You can also change the stretch a little bit by straightening the arm out and rotating from here. However, if you do this, we want to make sure that that shoulder is opened up instead of letting it round forward. This is just perpetuating the forward shoulder posture that you likely already have. Okay, so open up the shoulder, feel the stretch through the chest. Okay, and then we're gonna do the same thing on the other side. 90 degrees, twist and rotate, and hold. Okay, we're gonna try straightening and twisting, keeping the shoulder open, keeping the chest open. Okay. And then another exercise, this is easily the least attractive exercise in this series. It's called a chin tuck, but it's also known as a double chin, and for good reason. So what you're gonna wanna do is get your back up against the wall. Okay, if you can get your heels on the wall while maintaining contact with your glutes, your upper back, and the back of your head, that's ideal. If your head is super forward, you might have to walk your feet out in front of you in order to get the back of your head on the wall. The goal is that back of the head is touching without letting the chin lift. That's gonna be harder for some than others. Okay, so what you're gonna do in order to perform this exercise is all we're gonna do is pull the head back. You should have a nice, sexy little double chin here. Okay, and then relax the head back forward into its resting position. We're gonna do 15 of these. So relaxed head, pull it backwards, okay? The goal is to try to keep your chin parallel to the ground while you're performing this exercise, okay? Don't let the chin crane forward and don't let the chin touch your chest, okay? You should feel the muscles on the back of your neck working. Again, not the sexiest, but it is effective. Okay. And then the last exercise that we're gonna do is called a wall slide. So what you're gonna wanna do is you're gonna get all the way back up against the wall again. Okay, same thing applies. Feet might have to come forward, but if you can, you're gonna get your heels on the wall, your butt, upper back, and the back of your head without craning your chin up. If you find that you can't get the back of your head on the wall, it's perfectly okay to place a towel or a pillow behind you, okay? What you're gonna wanna do here is we go arms out into a W or a V overhead, keeping your fingertips, if you can, we're keeping the fingertips and the knuckles on the wall as we trace the hands down. You're squeezing your shoulder blades together as hard as you can, holding here for 3, 2, 1, and then release your fingertips back up. We're gonna do this 10 times. Pull down, squeeze 3, 2, 1, and then back up. I also, while you're performing this exercise, want you to pay attention to what your midsection is doing. If your core is totally relaxed, you're gonna realize your lower back is drifting way too far away from the wall. So anchor the belly button in, try to pull your lower back towards the back of the wall as you're moving your arms. There should be a natural gap in between your lower back and the wall, but nothing too excessive. And again, give yourself a little bit of grace here. This isn't as easy as it may seem. And hopefully over time, you get better and better. And if your fingers can't touch the wall yet, that's perfectly okay as well. Just do the best you can with this. Okay, let's do one more. Pull and squeeze and release. I would recommend performing all 5 of these exercises around anywhere from 2 to 4 times a week in order to get the most benefit, in order to help pull your head back into its proper position. Thanks so much for watching. I really hope that you enjoyed this video. Again, my name is Megan. Make sure that you like this video below, comment if you enjoyed watching, subscribe if you haven't already, and then if you want more information about my podcast and my blog, you can find it in the description box below.